Hey everyone, this is Esteban and I'm a photographer based in Guilford, Connecticut. Today I'm really excited to show you the new line of MagMod products and how I use them as a wedding and portrait photographer. All right, so let's talk about the main event here. The biggest release for me is the ability to have a 42-inch MagBox Pro. And one of the biggest features that come with this MagBox is that the diffuser is actually attached to it. You can just take it out of this pocket, flip it out, and it comes with zippers. So instead of having it be magnetic, you can just zip it up, and it only takes a couple of seconds for you to put it together. Now, one of the things that most people ask for in the MagMod community was the ability to use a grid, and it's actually a magnetic grid. So all you have to do is just put it right on the edge of the MagBox Pro and it'll automatically attach. So it doesn't take that long to put the grid together. If you want some nice soft light on your subjects, you're gonna wanna use this. All right, now let's talk about my favorite one so far, which is a 36-inch strip box. It's the same concept. It has an integrated fabric diffuser, which just comes off, and all you have to do is just zip it closed. No need for magnets anymore. So one of my favorite features about this MagBox Pro 36-inch strip, not only is it super light, it's super portable, but you're really able to control a lot of the light spill. But if you do need a grid, you can do the same concept as a 42-inch MagBox Pro. Just have to throw the grid on here, and it's the same concept as the 42-inch MagBox Pro. So if you're gonna get a MagBox Pro 42-inch or a MagBox Pro 36-inch strip box, you're gonna wanna get a new Mag shoe too. This will actually be able to withstand the weight of both of them, and the way to differentiate them is that it has a gold coal shoe. All right, so now that you've heard the differences and the features of the MagBox Pro 42-inch, the MagBox Pro 36-inch strip, we're gonna go out and shoot. I can show you what we can do with them. Want to give a big thanks to MagMod for allowing me to use these products for the past couple of weeks. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's @egilphoto. And if you want to follow my educational platform, it's @Steel and Flint Society. Thanks so much. Thank you. Thank you. All hail MagMod! That's how it ends.